Today I'm going to show you how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Quiet mode is a new feature that allows you to pause your Instagram notifications from time to time. Most importantly, people who try to message you during that time period, they will get an auto reply showing that you will not be notified or showing that you're not available. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Now we're on Instagram, you want to make sure it's in the latest version because this is a new feature. After that, you want to tap on your profile settings, which is on the bottom right corner. On here, you can see the menu icon, 3 lines on the top. You want to tap on it. On here, select Settings and Privacy. Choose Notifications under How you use Instagram. Tap Quiet Mode. In this page, you can set up your quiet mode. You can either turn it on by hitting the toggle button and turn it off by clicking it one more time. Once it's on, you can choose the time period that you don't want to receive any message from people. Once quiet mode ends, you will get a summary of your new notifications that you received during that time period. That's it for the video. If you find this helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.